Ladies and gentlemen, this is the activity for winter holidays and practicing with text structure. So what we're doing here is going through, we're going to be actually practicing and figuring out which one of these passages is which text structure. You can see here we've got the different text structures up top here. We've got cause and effect, compare and contrast, we've got description or descriptive, problem solution, and then we have the order and sequence one. So what you will be doing on your end is reading these paragraphs and making a decision as to what text structure is being used in each of these paragraphs, in each of these passages. You're going to want to remember to use your text structure flipbook as a resource here for you, because in each of your pages in your text structure flipbook, you'll see the cue words, okay, or the clue words that show you and give you hints as to which text structure is being used. So use that flipbook to help you figure out which one of these passages is which specific text structure, okay? So once you do that part and narrow that down on that page, then you're going to move on to page 2, and look at this. It kind of gives you a little bit of a hint as to which one of them each of them are. So for descriptive, for example, you're gonna take this one, the descriptive passage, and you're gonna fill out the organizer by dropping portions of the text into the correct spot. Okay, all you need to do is decide what the topic is, and then you're going to grab that topic and you're going to move it over here. Now this might not be the topic. You need to look and decide whether or not that's the topic that's being described in this passage. But if it is, all you do is move it here as the topic. And then you move over your supporting details. Okay? So that's what you're going to do on that one. Now you're gonna move on to compare and contrast, and you're gonna fill out the organizer for compare and contrast by moving the portions of the text into this graphic organizer here, into this Venn diagram. So you're going to be comparing Hanukkah and Kwanzaa, and then deciding what they both have in common. Okay, so if Hanukkah is a winter holiday, move it here. If Kwanzaa is a winter holiday, you move that information there. Or if they are both a winter holiday, that information will go there. Okay? Same thing with your next part of information. So if candles are an important part of this celebration, you move that here. If it's an important part of Kwanzaa, you move that there. Or if it's an important part of both, you put it here. Okay? That's what you're doing in this section. With problem and solution, it's more of the same, okay? You're filling out this organizer by dragging and dropping your information into the correct places. Same thing with sequence, only you're moving it from the first event, then what happened what happened after that, then, and then finally, what was the last thing that happened in this sequence passage. And then finally, with cause and effect, you've got 3 different causes that led to 3 different effects. This happened, so that happened as a result, okay? So, and that's what this means. This happened, so this happened, or this happened because this happened, okay? This happened, so this happened, or this happened because of this, okay? That's what this one is. So that's what you're doing here, and this will be officially due on Wednesday.